My name is Zane Momin, and this is my INF 303D reflection. I'm currently a junior supply chain management major here at the University of Texas at Austin. I transferred from WCJC and am currently 20 years old. My goals for this course is to gain a better understanding of digital services and resources that will benefit me in the future and understand the advantages and disadvantages of using the internet. I also have a goal to share this knowledge that I accumulate in this class to my fellow peers as well. In this course, I learned about copyright rules and regulations. I learned about the fair use doctrine, which is when an individual needs permission to use someone else's work and under what circumstances the fair use doctrine applies. I also learned about the Creative Commons license and how people would not have to ask for permission to use someone else's work if it is not being used commercially. I think learning about this can help in the future because now I know what I can and cannot use in projects. These projects are not limited to just schoolwork, but even corporate life. I'm still confused about what the process is to getting something copyrighted and what happens to copyrighted material of someone who has passed away, and also how Creative Commons license affect expectations and limitations to copyright, such as fair dealing and fair use. I also learned about digital services such as Google Drive, which enables group members to collaborate through saved docs that can be accessed on other devices. The course also helped me learn how to use Google Slides to work on projects with another group member remotely. As I move on to my next chapter in my business world, it is imperative that I understand these tools so I can work efficiently with my peers. I am also still confused about what UT-Stash is and how I'm supposed to access it. And although I know what a VPN is, I am confused about how VPNs work and why more people do not utilize it. I wish we learned more in depth about digital privacy and security because I think those are concepts that need to be addressed as technology increases. I also wish we learned more in depth about HTML because I think that it's such a valuable skill because you can make web pages on the internet viewable. The most valuable skill I got out of this class was learning to work with groups remotely. In the beginning of this course, I had a hard time utilizing tools to work with groups remotely, but towards the end of the course, I learned how to efficiently work with groups and others to use digital services such as Google Docs to be more productive.